How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and thank you for watching. Before we get this video started, I want to thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my new subscribers. If it wasn't for y'all, this little redneck from Arkansas would not have a channel. Thank you. If you're not a subscriber, you're watching this, man, it is free. Don't cost you a thing. I'm a YouTuber that will never ask you for a thing. I don't ask for Patreon, PayPal, support me, support this, support that. That's not me, guys. I just want you to enjoy the hobby, enjoy the channel. If you're a young one, get to building. Stay off them video games. You know, this hobby's giving me so much, I just like to give back, guys. You know, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. It don't matter to me. If you leave comments, you can call me whatever you want. Just don't be disrespectful and mean and stuff like that, you know. I'll try to respond to all of them. Alright, guys. Alright, this video right here. It's going to be a mail call, shout out, and stash ads, whatever you want to call it. I have not got nothing done on the van. Y'all already know what I'm doing for the box stock group build, and I've already did a video on that. I haven't started it yet, but I got plenty of time to get it done. Let's see. So yeah, I've not got a lot done, and then the RCF, I still got the body painted over here. Haven't got nowhere else, guys. This week, today is Wednesday. I don't know when you're going to watch this video, but today's Wednesday. This is the only day off I'll have this week. I work 12-hour shifts, and I've not had no time off, guys. I haven't got nothing done. But hopefully soon, I will get some stuff done, guys. I know y'all's getting tired of just seeing me. Y'all want to see some builds, and y'all want to see some stuff done. I understand that. Just hang with me. Tim Brown was asking me if I'm going to Acme. Guys, I can't make Acme. I cannot do it. I'm sorry. Believe me, I would love to be there. This is my weekend to work, and this is my only day off. And two, you know, with my wife's got some pretty serious health conditions, guys, you know, and, you know, she's on oxygen all the time and stuff, and it's getting harder and harder to travel. But hopefully one day, you know, everything will get a little bit better and stuff, and we'll be able to travel more and stuff. But right now it's just not going to happen, guys. I'd love to be there. You know, Tom, Rambler 69, Cliff, GI Scale Mechanic, you got you got Daniel, Munchkin Modeling Man, Fred Henry, let's see, you got I'm trying to think of everybody going. Tim Brown, Throttle Power, you know, you got Matt from Model Car Videos. I could just keep naming guys. I can't name them all right now because I can't remember, but I'll try to leave a description to everybody going to Acme in the description below. Y'all support them. Go over and check their channels out. Guys, if you're listening to me, y'all have a wonderful time. I wish I could be there, meet everybody, you know, have fun, you know, hang out, fellowship, and talk about modeling. But not going to be able to make it, guys. But hey, Captain Nemo's going to be there. I think he lives pretty close to there. Neiman Chambers, I mean, Brian, he lives down in Louisiana. Got Fuels Mall Garage, he's going to be there. Guys, every one of y'all that I've mentioned, y'all have a good time. Have a safe trip. Love each and every one of you. Have fun and bring home some hardware and buy a lot of models. Alright, that being said, guys, I'm going to shut up. Alright. Mail call. Y'all know this guy, and if you don't, please get over there and subscribe to him. This is Daniel from Go For It Painting. Check out that shop card. Now, y'all know I'm a Volkswagen lover. And dude, go check that video out. He is one weathering some. That thing is awesome. He does all different kinds. He's not just cars, guys. He figure painting. I mean, he does all kinds. You ought to check out his Halloween build. Oh my God. It was scary, morbid, but cool. Very cool. Just go check that out. Check Daniel out. Give him a subscribe, like, and his description will be below, guys. All right. I guess we're going to start off with stuff I've ordered. And I've been watching everybody build these kits and get these kits. And y'all know me and Brian, Mr. BG. Brian from Arizona there, you know. We host the small scale group build in February. It's coming up. So guys, you know I'm all about these right here. I think Craig just built this one. Shoot, there's so many I can't think right now everybody that's built this, but yeah, I should have got myself together here. But there's this one. This is the Fiend, and that's a looks like a Dodge Charger. I got that one. And then I got the rip-off. Looks like a Duster or a Demon. What is that? Does it even say what it is? Well, whatever it is. I got that one. And, of course, you know I had to get the fake out. You know, Iceman, he makes 132 scale wheels that would fit this. And engines and stuff. I think I want at least one of these kits I want to do special. I'd like to do the 3D printed wheels and tires, the engine, and if I could get somebody to come up with a set of 132 scale Mickey Thompson decals or Blue Max or somebody decals, I'm gonna do something special with that one. I'm gonna make that one right there. That's what it's gonna be. And then I got the Whiplash Camaro. And you better believe all these coming out from Atlantis, all these 32 scale funny cars, and there's more coming out. There's the Jungle Jim Vega. There's others coming out. I know they made a Pinto. They made a Gremlin. I mean, they made a bunch of these 32 scales. They had John Force's Olds. They had Perdon. I mean, they had a bunch of 32 scale. And when they come out with all of them, you better believe I'm buying them. So that's the last of the 32 scale I got right now. Sticking with the funny car scheme, well, you know I had to have this one. I got a couple of them JOHAN. I got the Rambunctious and the Ramrod. And then now I got the Challenger from PC here. So you know I had to get that for Ram Chargers. Let me see. Speaking of Ram Chargers. Y'all know I had to buy that. Actually, I probably should have bought two of these. I'm going to have to wind up getting me another one of these. These are cool. This would be cool to put in like a altered wheelbase, Ram Chargers, Dodge, you know the car. I can't think of it right now. Polara or whatever it is. That would be awesome in the back of that. This even comes with Ram Charger decals. Yeah, you know. And I'm not going to do an unboxing of any of these because, guys, it's already been done. There's somebody out there that's done it. You guys check them out. You know, they're out there. Yeah, there's no sense in me doing that. Now, this one right here is a different story. This, speaking of Holy Grail kits, is one of my Holy Grail kits. I have the trifecta right now of the JOHAN Maverick Comet stock car, or not stock car, what do you call them? Pro stock kits. And this one right here, guys. Yes. Finally. If you look up there, I don't know if you can see in the boxes right there. I've got the Fast Eddie Sharpman, which I built, and it's in a case back there. I got the Dino Dawn. I still got to build. I got to get some decals for it and build it. And now I got the Fast Eddie Sharpman Maverick. This is not a Comet like the other. This is the Maverick. And actually, I got a couple more of them Comets to do the other scheme. You know, I think Matt Lucas C, I think he's building the gold version like I did the yellow version. He's building the gold version. I'm going to have to build that gold version myself. This one right here, guys, what makes this one very special too is it's got the, I think they call them spider wheels or something like that. It's got the spider wheels. It's got the small hood scoop. It's got the chin spoiler. And it's got the rear spoiler. Look at that. Is that not sexy or what? The thing is not built. Well, I take that back. The engine had been started on this one, but that's it. And it's not painted or nothing. Everything's in its bags and stuff. Even the decals, everything is. Let me show you the decals. Even though I got aftermarket decals for it already, because eventually I planned on building one, whether I found this or not. I was going to build one. And I also had, that was the original decals, but I do have the aftermarket decals. But this one will come up fairly soon. And I tell you what, I don't know if my buddy Justin from J Models or what, but the Dino Don Nicholson Maverick, you know, I got the Mobius ramp trucks. Well, if you look up on oh, I can't remember the website right now, but there's a website out there for nothing but ramp trucks from the old Pro Stock and stuff like that days back in the day, and it shows ramp trucks. Well, Dino Don had a Ford ramp truck, which is the same truck as the Mobius truck. I just had to do a little bit of modifications to the front end of the ramp part. It had an extra compartment there or whatever, but other than that, everything's the same. I need decals for that. I know that Billy Goose did decals long time ago. If any of y'all out there know of anywhere to get any Billy Goose, because I know he not in business no more, please leave me a link, or if anybody can make me those decals, shoot me an email. My email will be below in the description, because I want to build that ramp truck, build my Dino Don Maverick, and have that on that ramp truck. If y'all want to see it, help me get some decals. Alright guys, but that's what stuff I bought there. And then my only day off, and yeah, of course I had to go to an antique shop, and I'm glad I did. I almost didn't do it, and I went ahead and pulled in there. Let me get a drink, guys. I know y'all get tired of seeing all these models I get all the time, and my wife damn sure does. And I know I'm running out of room. I've got stuff thrown out in the garage. I got stuff everywhere, but I think y'all's gonna like these. All right, I didn't give nothing for them. I got this old Pro Street. Hood's missing, body's painted, but that's the only thing painted. And you know, I got a million of these old parts cars laying around. I got a hood for it. Even if I didn't want to put a hood on it, it'd still be badass built. I just trade. Of course, I got a million of these too. I just traded off a couple to Jay Kessler, and he's sending me a Builder Maverick, JOHAN Maverick. Jay, I got another one, 64 Impala, dude. Yeah, but I already got a crap ton of them, so it don't matter. And Rob, I got me a little 32, bud. Papa's model room, look there. Little 32. Guys, check this rare little thing out right here. That's an old, what, Tom Daniels, whatever. That's an old, can't remember the name of it right now without looking it up. I'm sure Tom or somebody can tell me who it is. But that's a little Beetle right there. That's one of the little funky little Beetles. Look at that, guys. $2. I know that's worth way more than $2. All right, let's see. And of course, I got one of them. Everybody knows what that one is. That's not the Bad Man. That's the black one with the flames. That's a monogram. And then I got this thing right here. That's an original issue GTO 1971. It's not the reissue or nothing. It's got the screw bottoms. It's missing a header here, you know, of course. Part of the, yeah, if I can get that off, the blower part's missing. But hey, that's a damn good restorable car right there. Got me a 1971. That's my year model. That's when I was born, 1971. Check this thing out. That is a, was that 427 Stingray? Sure is. 120 scale, clear hood, big old blown 427. It's got the pipe sticking out. Look at that. Yeah. You think that's it? You think that's it? No. Wheels off of it. That's the original MPC Sox & Martin Cuda. Screw bottom. Yeah, it's got some parts missing, but it's missing the hood. But hey, that's a good start right there. There's one of the Keystone tires. I don't know if that's coming in very good or not, guys. Look at that. Missing the hood. And I might have a hood in the parts box. If I don't, I'll get one found. MPC 1971 Charger. That was the one that was molded in this yellow, and it's got the what do they call it, where they fog the paint. That's factory right there, and it's missing the hood. Other than that, thing's complete. Everything other than the hood. I gotta find a hood for it. If any of y'all out there got any of these parts, email me. All right, and this one right here, Bruce Larson MPC Camaro. Yeah, I don't have the Pro Stock wheels on it. It's got the tubs for the Pro Stock. You can put the bigger tires under it and stuff. It's got like the stock hood on it or something, you know, no big scoop or nothing. It's got the road racing wheels on it, but it's got the Bruce Larson decals. So, yeah, missing a bumper or whatever, but ain't no big deal. That could be turned into Pro Stock. I could turn that into Bruce Larson's car. Again, no problem. Well, guys, that wraps it up for my little buys. Like I always say, hit the antique shops, flea markets, anything like that. Always hit those. All right, I'm going to try to mention everybody I mentioned. I'll try to have in the link below. Go give everybody a like, subscribe, you know, share, whatever you want to do. Go check them out. Go support them. Daniel from Go For It Painting, especially, you know, he sent me that. All right, and if any of y'all need to get a hold of me for anything I mentioned, my email will be below. All right, guys, love you. Everybody have a safe trip to Acme. Peace.